Rob Tell on the track. Hop in the whip and I hit these switches. See that chrome suspension. Look at the car, you know who did it. I don't have to mention. They know it's Alex from Hoppos. Custom work come from Hoppos. I'm Rob Tell of 504. For anybody that gotta know, Alex stay with fresh content and he keep it coming like a slideshow. Never cut corners far as I know, but he cut metal with his eyes closed. Control arms, reinforced frames, still killing the game. You see the gun smoke from Impalas with the X-frame, doing tricks like it came from the X.
What's up, and good morning, guys? How are you? Alex here from Hoppos with another video for you guys. Well, today is an exciting day again. As you kind of saw, I did a little teaser the other day on Instagram. A lot of you guys are questioning it. I said making some more room. That's it. Because I mean, we did just move into the building, and most of the stuff is situated. But like I said before in a lot of my videos is, we're gonna put stuff, we're gonna move it, we're gonna shuffle it, we're gonna move it again. And well, that's exactly what's happening. We're moving stuff again. And well, it's for a good reason. As long as the rain gods don't, cry down on us today, because it's expected 93% rain today, which I hope it doesn't, because we have a big delivery. 2 big deliveries, I should say. So let's get our way to the shop right now, and then we'll talk a little more about it. So guys, we made it to the shop here, and well, like I kind of gave a little preview the other day on IG, we were kind of clearing some more floor space here. We had these machines obviously set in place here, but we're gonna make a little adjustments here because well, we got some new toys showing up over there. And well, like we said originally, I told you guys we're gonna move this place, and we're gonna end up moving it, and then we're gonna move it again, and we're gonna adjust it to how we like it and how it's all set up. Well, this is our adjustment number 2. We haven't even been here 3 weeks and we're moving our machines again. But we're doing it for a good reason. We originally laid them out and they had a little bit too much gapping in between, which it was fine because we had the space. But as we put more and more stuff in here, it wasn't gonna allow us to grow and bring more machinery in here, which originally we planned to add more to our arsenal. In about a year and a half, we're gonna bring in another machine. Well, the way everything's been going, we hit our goals, we hit our company goals that we had talked about and in all of our meetings. And well, since we hit the goals, that means we got new toys. So they're here. Let me go show you guys. What'd you buy?
A little toy. A little new toy.
You got 2 little toys, you said. They had to show up on the big rig. BP Machining. Here's our new toys we just got. Woo, super excited to get these in. A lot bigger than what the footprint looks like on a piece of paper. So right now they're adjusting the 2 older mills that we got in there. They're pushing them a little closer together because we had about 7.5 feet of clearance in between each one. So they're bumping together to about 3 feet. So we're gonna gain roughly about 6 feet in between there, which we only overhang another 4 feet with the new machine. So definitely makes life a little easier as far as fitment in here, because as you guys kind of notice, things kind of got a little tight in here as we started moving everything in. And it's crazy because this is way more square footage, but we've also moved in a lot more machinery, a lot more product, a lot more storage. So, but it's cool to see it grow pretty quick too. What'd you end up getting?
Just a little new machine. Just a little.
He doesn't like to over exaggerate, guys. The crazy part is, remember when you got your biggest motivation pretty much when someone said you shouldn't do it?
Yeah. That's what I say to that. Keep up, motherfucker.
So when we first purchased the machines, actually right before we purchased the machines, he had pretty much the biggest push ever when someone told him, don't jump into something that you don't know nothing about. And well, as you guys can see, 9-10 years later, we jumped into it. We've done good. We actually have more machines than that person who ever said that back in the day. And we're actually producing a lot more. And well, let's just say this isn't the end. This is only the beginning. because, well, Art got a lot more years left in him. I got a lot more years left in me. And well, we ain't going nowhere anytime soon. We're only gonna grow, we're only gonna keep pushing, we're only gonna keep striving for more. And that's our biggest thing, is we're never happy, we're never satisfied. So obviously, as you guys can kind of see with all the machines going on and all the moving going on, if you keep pushing and keep pushing for what you want, it'll happen. You drive that one? And I actually remember the quote of what the guy actually said. It said, "A dressmaker doesn't make shoes and a shoemaker don't make dresses. So don't step into something that you don't know anything about." And from that day on, it was the biggest motivation to show pretty much, don't ever tell us that we can't do something, especially art, especially art. So from then to now, we're talking about, I think it's about 9 years. We have, I think, 9 machines now. And actually, 9 big machines. Total of CNC, I think it's 12 or 13 now. So that just shows you, and it also shows you to keep striving, keep pushing. We never said nothing to that guy. We stood quiet, we bit our tongues, we walked away, and we started investing harder, pushing harder, and really focused on making those dreams come true. So here we are again, 9-10 years later, pushing, booming, bigger than ever, more product on the shelves than ever, bringing in and machining a lot more than ever. And well, it kind of shows you a little push. You know, back then we were really upset about it. Now we look at it as a favor and pretty much a thank you. Thank you for pushing us even harder and further than we wanted to go. And now it don't stop. We're just gonna keep going. So I'll tell you guys now, jump on board while you can, because this is just the beginning, guys. This is just the beginning. We're 30 plus years strong, and we're gonna keep on going, I'll tell you that. So now we're finally gonna bring in the new machinery. They're gonna grab the mill. We're gonna set the mill next to the other mills. That way we could have a little family meal together. This thing is massive, holy crap. This thing's big. What happened? Oh, battle wounds. Art's over there looking at his baby, his new babies. So there, guys, they got one in. They're moving their way onto the second one. They're outside. They're unloading it. The VF3 showed up. It is here, and it is massive. I guess we're fucked. We're not supposed to operate this. Alright, so what'd you just buy?
A new lathe. Well, new to us.
New to us. New lathe.
And a new mill. Just a little mill.
This one's massive. This thing is big.
Just a little VF3.
They're adding these two to the arsenal, and we got a lot more room to fit more.
Coming soon.
And we'll leave it at that, guys. So all the machines moved in, and well, it looks like we caught it just in time because it's officially raining, sprinkling, but water's still coming out of the sky. So we beat it. We literally got done like 15 minutes ago. They just pulled away like 5 minutes ago, so couldn't have timed that any better. Thank you to BP Machinery Movers. Jeez, I couldn't say that. Thank you to Bob Poole and his whole crew. Thank you guys, appreciate you like always. Yeah, now getting these bad boys. Charlie, have you ever seen Mr. Miyagi? That's how we have to do this whole thing.
Okay.
Wipe on, wipe off. Getting it cleaned up, making some love to it. Charlie doesn't like when I say make love to it, but you gotta treat it with love and respect and take care of it, because then it'll take care of us. I say that now, well, this thing better not fucking break down. As you guys can tell, Art's pretty excited. We got a whole bunch of new toys in now to get more power and wiring to them. Again, you ain't gonna stop, we're gonna keep pushing, guys. Well guys, now you guys saw the moving. It's dark, it's gloomy, it is raining. Actually not raining no more, it just got done raining. But we are now officially on our way home. We're gonna end our day off on a positive note. Today was good, guys knocked out shipping, got tons of inventory back in stock. Again, as quick as we're building it, it's disappearing. So it's definitely good. We do appreciate all you guys supporting us, you know, along this whole journey here. I'm glad I'm able to document this a lot more, and you guys see a lot more in depth of everything going on here, more than just your basic up and down, you know, like a lot of people think. So thank you guys. If you guys don't already subscribe, make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys hit that like button. I do appreciate that. You guys have a great one. I'm out.